So Apple's making an iPhone that can charge your AirPods, replace your webcam, and possibly double as your desktop. Yeah, this is not your usual S-year update. The iPhone 17 Pro Max isn't just evolving, it's morphing into something entirely new. And if half these leaks are true, your current phone might suddenly feel very last decade. Welcome back, viewer Sam here. Smash that like button, share this with a fellow tech nerd, and subscribe if you want your updates straight from the source, with no nonsense and all the juicy bits. Okay, first things first, the camera. Apple is reportedly going horizontal. Not just with a little bar, but a full-width slab that stretches edge to edge across the top back of the phone. Think futuristic visor meets Batmobile energy. Why? To house 3 huge 48MP sensors, wide, ultra-wide, and a new periscope telephoto. That's right, periscope zoom, finally. Rumors say it could go up to 5x optical and support dual 8K video streams. You could literally film a short film with your phone and never touch a DSLR again. Now here's where it gets spicy. Titanium is out. Apple's swapping it for a high-grade aluminum glass blend, lighter, better heat dissipation, and apparently stronger MagSafe magnet alignment. Some call it a downgrade, but Apple's not doing this for looks. It's to support a redesigned internal layout and better accessory compatibility. Oh, and did I mention reverse wireless charging? Yeah, place your AirPods or Apple Watch on the back, and it just works. Welcome to 2018, 7 years late, but still. And the battery, this one's a beast. Reports suggest a 5000 mAh cell. The biggest ever in an iPhone. It's slightly thicker, sure, but you're trading millimeters for way more screen on time. Combine that with the rumored A19 Pro chip built on TSMC's next-gen third-and NOLD, and things start getting wild. Expect major performance jumps, longer battery life, and better thermal control. Apple might even be adding vapor chamber cooling to stop overheating during 4K video and high-end gaming. Think about that for a second. Your phone could stay cool while rendering 8K footage or running console-level games. Then there's the front camera. Say goodbye to soft, grainy selfies. Apple's apparently upgrading it to 24MP, double the resolution, and possibly using Sony's latest stacked sensors. This could bring real-time HDR, sharper FaceTime calls, and cinematic selfie videos that actually look good even in low light. The display, a 6.9-inch ProMotion OLED with 120 Hz refresh, micro lens array tech for better brightness, and thinner bezels. There's talk of a smaller dynamic island exclusive to the Pro Max, and a cleaner UI that makes the entire experience feel more immersive. And on top of that, it's rumored to support Qualcomm's X75 5G modem for ridiculously fast, low-latency connections. But wait, it gets more interesting. Apple might be testing a desktop mode through the USB-C port. Think Samsung DeX, but Apple-flavored. Plug it into a monitor and boom, your phone becomes your work machine. Will Apple actually release it? Depends if they're ready to risk hurting MacBook sales. But the hardware is likely there. And now, here's the AI bombshell. Apple's been low-key prepping on device generative AI tools, live transcription, smart summaries, voice-to-text note-taking, and even real-time photo edits using the neural engine. But some of these might require the A19 Pro and 12GB of RAM. Translation: Apple could make some features Pro Max exclusive. If you want the full AI experience, the 17 Pro Max might be the only ticket in town. There's also chatter about Apple integrating Vision Pro style features, object tracking, 3D scanning, and iPhone-captured spatial video that instantly syncs with your headset. If this is true, the 17 Pro Max becomes the ultimate content creator tool for spatial computing. And remember that wild horizontal camera bar. It's not just for looks. It could be part of Apple's bigger design shift, one that preps the lineup for foldables or a more modular back in the future. Some leakers say this new form factor is the blueprint for the iPhone 18 and possibly even iPhone Fold. Oh, and before I forget, the Apple logo is moving. Leaked cases and dummy units suggest it's getting pushed down. No longer centered with the camera, but balanced beneath the new bump and MagSafe ring. It's a small tweak, but it's part of a larger visual reset that makes the back look cleaner and more accessory-friendly. So is this thing worth the upgrade if you've got the 15 or 16 Pro? Honestly, maybe. If you care about battery life, Pro-level cameras, desktop functionality, AI features, and being future-proof for Vision Pro and beyond, this could be a massive jump. But if you're fine with what you've got and just want the basics, you might not need to rush. Still, Apple's clearly shifting gears. This isn't just a spec bump. It's a new direction. More modular, more connected. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is less of a phone and more of a pocket-sized creative studio, content hub, and AI assistant all wrapped into one. Drop a comment below. What's your favorite rumored feature so far, and which one sounds too wild to be true? I'll keep the leaks coming as we get closer to launch day. Until then, stay curious, Sam out.